Legend Mayhem here with Alan and Dick. Today we're going to fly the Optera FPV and chase Dad's plane. So hopefully...
Handy King 40.
Handy King 40. So he gave me one rule, and it is don't hit him. I've made those mistakes in the past, so I'm going to try not to do that.
Yeah, good luck with that. Just do a mid-speed square. You should have me acquired now.
Yep, I see you. I just lost you in the... There you are.
I'm going to maintain about that speed. Speed up a little bit?
No.
Sure I don't? Dropped a lot of altitude in that.
My head around quite a bit.
Can you handle the loop?
I can try to.
Alright, now. Straight to the corner and turn.
Should I try to hit you and see how hard it is? So I'm DVRing this, so we should hopefully get some video of what I'm seeing so you can see it. I need gun sights.
Alright, I'm going to try another loop here. There you go.
Yeah, I'm still using rudder and I don't have it.
Oh yeah.
I think I could hit you.
I think you could do it. I've seen you do it.
That was an accident. This would be trying to do it on purpose. Ooh, that was cool looking. That was pretty close when you did the roll.
Yeah. I had to throttle to get ahead of you a little bit.
Oh, that's right. Whoa, 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 that's close. Because this has got the fisheye, you're a lot closer than I think you are.
Yeah, you were real close.
Should make for exciting video, though.
Oh, that's close.
I need air brakes. I can hear you, but I can't. Oh, there you are.
Okay, I'm just turning a little bit, like a final at about 50 feet. Loop it over you. And, ooh, that looked close. final approach, but I'm not going to land up your head.
That's I couldn't slow down fast enough.
About midfield down there now. If you
Yeah, if I
watch
see you. Sometimes you get lost in the bright clouds, and then, like, if I'm
Yeah.
above you, it's not a
because
big
that
deal.
camera doesn't have really vivid colors. That's 5. I'm gonna go ahead and land it on this one. Oops.
Oh, I'm walking.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
What's that? Whoa, do I have to watch out?
whoa. Huh?
I'm 119 feet away.
Hard to say, but that's not real far off.